Okay. That took a few minutes to get out and then break down all of the box. So this is part 2 of the Chrysler Airtemp stove. Within this container, we're going to have some items that I didn't get with the base of the stove. So you guys may be able to recognize that instructions. This portion is dated 1944. And I don't really care about the date because these things are becoming very hard to find. Oh, I see. This is just a switch to lift right out. That was great. I lifted that out. This is the upper pan. Look at that galvanizing. That's awesome. Nobody galvanizes stuff like that anymore. So, here we have the pans. Yep. And I don't know if you're going to be able to see that engraving there. AGM company, American gas machine. So in this cook pan, we have a salt and pepper shaker. Go ahead and get those out. That was the salt shaker I just showed you. This is the pepper shaker. Salt shaker on the left, pepper shaker on the right. Bigger holes. Oh man, so awesome. Now these knives are just stamped steel. But they're good in a pinch. You got one edge that's kind of sharp and the other edge that's dull. So then one pan comes out, and let's see what's in this one. Nothing. And then there are 2 pans. I didn't know they fit in together like that. All the pans are made by American Gas and Machine. It's really faint. That's a pretty big pan. Oh, here we go. You might be able to see that. AGM and Company, or AGM Company, American Gas Machine. Okay. And then down in the bottom, there are 2 griddles. I wonder how much bacon I could fry up on these 2 bad boys. Several pounds, I would assume. And then this is the stove. Look at that. Now I have 2 of these. Excellent. So that's going to need a little bit of a scrub. The plating has come off, but that's because it's been in storage. And see, now this part, let's see if I can see that. Yeah, this sterilization pan, 1945, was made by Invincible. So it's pretty bitchin'. I'm going to load everything back together off camera, and then we're going to set this portion into the stove. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I brought the pan storage tray over. I'm going to put it in the oven section. All right. I gotta spin this around. Open the windshield because I don't think drop in is going to work too well. Alright, let's spin it a bit. Bit me. Oh, that was good. Okay, that's about it. Thanks for watching my video.